Hey. What's wrong, babe? Are you okay? Babe, I know the pregnancy is hard at times, babe. I know you throw up and you be spitting and getting sick, babe, but I'm here for you, babe. I'm here for you. Open the door. Come here. Why are you laughing?
It's a prank. I love you so much. I love you so much.
Too.
Big. Big.
Oh my god, what are we gonna do?
What's wrong? Who called? Who called you?
I forgot, I don't have a boyfriend, no one's coming.
Hey? What are you doing? Baby, hey. What are you doing?
Just let me cry.
Why are you crying? Hey, baby. Oh my goodness. Hey, look at me. What's wrong? Why are you in the shower? Baby, come here. What are you doing? What's wrong, mommy? Why are you laughing?
I'm
Real nice.
Why didn't you ask why I have my clothes on?
Well, clearly something was wrong. You're sitting on the floor of the shower crying.
With my clothes on?
Well, yeah, that makes it worse, but it's like, clearly something's already wrong. The last thing I'm worried about is your clothes.
This feels so weird. Get away! Get away, go ahead.
Why not shower?
What?
Why are you in the shower fully clothed? Huh?
Leave me alone.
No, turned off.
Are you okay? Baby, what's wrong?
I'm just sad.
Why, baby? I promise I'm here for you, okay?
What are you doing?
I'm getting in there with you. Why are you crying?
Just leave me alone.
What just happened? Are you laughing?
Nope.
Leave me alone.
Are you okay?
No, leave me alone.
Did I do something?